find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3, -1 and 4, -2. This is the question. So we have 2 points. So one of the point is 3, -1. Let's take that point as P point. And the other point let's take as Q, which is 4, -2. What they are asking me the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the point. Whenever we are talking about the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points, so it means we are talking about the slope, right? We are talking about the slope. So first understand the question by using the Cartesian plane. So this is this. So this is y-axis, right? And this is x-axis. And this is the point of intersection. If we will see the point P, so let's draw the points on x-axis little and on y-axis because we want negative y. So I am not drawing positive values too much. So on the right side of x, we have positive values and negative down. This is -1, -2, -3, and so on. This is 1, 2, 3. And this is -1, -2, -3, and so on. So let's draw P point. So it is 3, -1. Whenever we have a coordinate, so 3 is x and y is -1 is y. So 3 means here and -1 is here. So when where they are getting this coordinate is here, okay, where they are just adding this 2 points. So this is the point P, okay, this is the point P. Now let's talk about Q. It is 4, which is on x, and -2 on y. So it is something like here. So this is point Q, right? This is point Q. So P point and Q point, right. Now what we will do, we will join these 2 points. So when we will join these 2 points, a line goes like this. Now what they are asking me the angle, right? They are asking me the angle that we have to find, angle between x-axis, positive x-axis and the line. If you will see this line, which is going down, whenever the line goes down, it means slope is negative. So they are talking about this angle which the line is making with the x-axis. Okay, this is the, because always we are taking the angle in the anti-clockwise from x-axis to the line. So this angle they are asking. Now, if you will see this angle, this is an obtuse angle, right? So let's have a discussion about this, how to find it. So first of all, whenever they are talking about the angle between the x-axis and the line, they are talking about the slope, everyone. Okay. And slope we represent with M, and we are also representing slope as tan theta, right? Tan theta. What is the formula for the slope? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So they all are the same thing. They are asking about the angle. It means we will use tan theta. That is equals to, we have the coordinate, so we'll use this formula. So when we use this formula, how to do it? So it will be tan theta is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So P point I am taking as x1 y1, Q point I am taking as x2 y2. When I put in the formula, so tan theta is equals to y2 is -2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is -2 plus 1 over 1, which is -1. Here I want to tell you one thing, which is very, very important. Tan value is -1 in either the fourth quadrant, or tan value is -1 in the second quadrant, because tan value is negative in the second quadrant or in the fourth quadrant, right? Why it is negative? Because in the second quadrant you have the base as negative, x as negative. So perpendicular over base, one of the thing is negative, then it's the value is negative. In the fourth quadrant, it is also the perpendicular is negative, so base is positive. So again plus minus is minus, so again that you are getting negative value. But they are asking you the slope, that is tan theta value, so which is an obtuse angle. Tan theta is equals to -1. Now what I am doing, I am putting minus and I am writing 1 as tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 degree, and I know that tan 45 is 1. So I am writing 1 as tan pi by 4. Now what I have to do, because I know that theta is an obtuse angle, okay, which I made it. So theta is an obtuse angle. So when theta is an obtuse angle, I have to remove and I have to represent the angle in the positive way. So I have to remove this negative sign. So what I will do here, I will write tan pi by 4 as pi minus 3 pi by 4. Okay, like I will write 2 as 3 minus 1. So they both are the same only, or I can write 4 as 3 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, similarly, I write pi by 4 as pi minus 3 pi by 4. Now pi minus 3 pi by 4, pi minus something means in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, tan is giving you negative. So tan pi minus means tan theta only. Okay, tan theta. So theta is this one, which is 3 pi by 4. But it gives you negative because in second quadrant, you have negative value of tan, right? So now the minus is cancelling out. So tan theta is equals to tan 3 pi by 4. Tan cancels out. So theta is equals to 3 pi by 4. Got it? Now, you will say that, ma'am, tan theta is also negative in the fourth quadrant. But in fourth quadrant, this is 0 degree, na? This is 90, this is 180, this is 270. So when we are from the positive x-axis, when you are going in the fourth quadrant, it means you are going clockwise. So the angle is negative. First of all, I want angle in the positive value. Second thing, when I will write tan theta is equals to, if I will write tan pi by 4 only, okay, this, and I have to write because this is 0 minus something. In the fourth quadrant, you have 0 minus. So it's 0 minus pi by 4, which is again negative pi by 4, right? It gives me negative pi by 4. Negative will cancel out, but you are getting 10 pi by 4 and 10 cancels out. So theta is pi by 4, but you know that theta is an obtuse angle. So that's why I've chosen this value, okay, 3 pi by